Change business bank accounts and need to update where ADP pulls funds for payroll. If updating critical banking details makes you anxious, you're not alone. Today, we're safely updating your company bank account in ADP. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. This is the account ADP debits for total payroll costs, taxes, employee net pay, and their fees. It must be accurate to avoid failed payroll. The location, company profile settings. Navigate to your company's main profile or settings. Look for bank accounts, funding account, or direct debit information. This is separate from employee direct deposit settings. The process, add and verify. You will likely need to add the new bank account information, routing and account number. ADP may require a verification process, which can take a few business days before the new account becomes active for payroll funding. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: keep the old account open until the first successful payroll from the new account. Do not close your old business bank account immediately after updating ADP. Run one payroll cycle with the new account and ensure it funds successfully before closing the old one. This provides a crucial safety net. So, just like that, you can transition your payroll funding smoothly. A careful bank account change goes a long way in preventing payroll disasters. Now I'm curious, has your business ever had to change bank accounts? Was it due to a merger, fee changes, or other reasons? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.